Hi, Wayne here again. Quick video on why you need the Plantronics M22 Vista Amplifier. So first off, here is the M22, and the reason you need this is what plugs into your telephone and also plugs into any H-series headset. So this is actually the piece or the brains of a headset system when you buy one. When you buy a headset, a lot of people think you're just going to plug that into your telephone. What you end up with is a connection on the end of the headset that's called a quick disconnect, and it physically doesn't plug into anything you have on your phone. That's where the M22 amplifier comes into play and gives you the compatibility you need to work on almost any phone, and it gives you the quick disconnect you need because the pigtail cord on the amplifier, this is what plugs into your telephone. So that's why you need the M22. It's the brains, and it also controls the compatibility to almost any phone out there, allowing you to plug your H-series headset in to the system. A little more about the M22. So again, this is the pigtail cord. This is what plugs into your phone. On the side, you have a compatibility slide switch. This is what lets you marry up to almost any phone out there. There's a blue and white dial for your outgoing voice volume, and that's important on the amplifier because if you go the less expensive route with the direct connect cable, you cannot control your voice volume. With an amplifier, you simply turn that dial up and down where your caller will hear your voice perfectly on every call. On the front of the M22, you have a speaker control here, so that's your speaker, what you hear, the volume. You have an on-off button. When this is on, that means the amplifier is on and you're using your headset for your audio device. If this is off, you're using your handset, so it toggles between the two. And you have a mute button. Also on the side here, you have a compartment where you put two AA batteries in. And the batteries will last at a minimum 6 months. Most of the time, it's 2 to 3 years down the road before you need to change batteries. It's also nice that it will start beeping in your ear for probably 2 to 4 weeks prior to the batteries going dead. So you'll never miss a call because the batteries went dead. It will beep in your ear indicating it's time to change the batteries. So when you finish up on a call, you can swap the batteries out real easy. So again, this is the Plantronics M22 Vista Amplifier. It's used with any Plantronics H-series headset that plugs into the matching quick disconnect. Great amplifier, gives you perfect sound quality on every call, is why you really want to consider using an amplifier versus the direct connect cable. If you have questions on this or any other headsets, please call Headsets Direct at 1-800-914-7996 or visit online at www.headsetsdirect.com. Thanks.